Hair Salon in Raleigh, North Carolina, and today we are doing a dematting, all right? So I'm gonna give you a whole rundown. She actually came in yesterday for about 4 hours, and she had some medical issues, so we had to stop. Now we're going in. We started at 10 a.m. and it's now 3 p.m. We're about halfway through, so we got a lot more work to do, but we're gonna get this out. We have a team of 4 hairstylists that are slowly dematting. You guys always ask, what is our magic? The magic is patience, a lot of patience. So we use a conditioner, we use an oil, we use water, we use heat. All of that stuff helps, but the biggest thing is patience. All right, guys, if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And then follow me on TikTok, Instagram, 𝗧𝗢𝗡, Facebook, 𝗧𝗢𝗡, Tone Hair Salon, Raleigh, North Carolina. All right, let's get back to it.
Loved up.
Getting ready for surgery.
Yes.
Can you go get ready?
We're here.
Getting ready for my drink.
Me and
Yeah.
Down top corner like all in. Lit the fire when you doubt it, now I'm all in. Put me with the best, bring the stars in. Undefeated mode, no falling. Doubt it when I lost, slide back when I win. Fade and pay the cost, but I wrote.
Okay. My dad died in 2021 and I watched him die in 2021. Then found my mom dead on the floor in 2023 and then got diagnosed with a benign pituitary tumor that affected my hormones and made it hard to take care of myself. I got it removed. They went through my nose, so there's not any like strawing on my head or anything. So we're good now.
But guys, like, it can happen. You know what I mean? Like, this happens. Don't feel any type of way either because this is so common. Like, tell them, let them know. Like, listen, guys, this is not.
Yeah.
how'd you find us?
Oh, so I actually used to watch y'all's videos like years ago. Wait, was it years ago?
It could have been on TikTok or Instagram.
Leda's been on TikTok for years.
Yeah.
We've only been here for like 1.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, it was like satisfying. So, and I didn't want to go to like a salon and have them tell me like, "Fuck, no, we're not doing
Yeah.
it." So sorry.
No, you're fine.
You're good. You're good.
And you get your stuff. And then I realized y'all were in Raleigh. And I was like, hey, that's not too far. So I messaged y'all. I did not know that if you guys were gonna answer.
Really?
Yeah, because y'all have so much like. Y'all are so important on social media, so I'm stressing.
Aww. No, but I'm glad that you did because you are like, you guys don't realize, but you are.
I thought it was going to take like till next year to get me in, but I could get in next week. She said we can get you in next week, and I was like, okay.
And now you're here, so that's beautiful.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Me to do it all now, top corner talking home run, touchdown, buzzer beat to do it all now, ball now, top corner like all in, lit the fire when you doubt it, now I'm all in, put me with the best, bring the stars in, undefeated mode, no falling. Hey you, hey down there.
Shit, she got break.
Yeah. Up here, like, hey you, way down there, see you down there, looking up here. Get you some binoculars, so you can see me on the Jumbotron. They noticed me back when I dropped top speed. It's been top speed, took a leap off the edge and you had cold feet. I'm driving head first, form turn.
How does it feel, girl?
Like
a brand new woman.
Sports mode, big league. Every single time bet on myself, that's on me. East, west, north, south, all scenes. Worldwide, big waves, all seas. Same car, same thing, still me. Only thing that changes is it changes on me. Home run, touchdown, buzzer beat to do it all now.
Alright guys, we're all done. We spent 13 hours today and 3-4 hours yesterday. So overall about 16-17 hours in the last 2 days to get this mat out, but we did it.
Yes, I heard.
Turn around, show them, sling it. Yeah, Yes,
Yeah. Oh, she got smacked.
And her shit. She got a weapon. But you guys, Bailey, she did great.
she was in a lot of pain, so we didn't style her. So Bailey was in a lot of pain, so we didn't style her. We didn't want to put her through anything else, but the goal was to get the mat out, and that is what we did. So, are you happy? I'm so, like, about to cry. Yeah.
I want to join.
Where's my video?
I just come and hug. So like this, I'm gonna.
Home run, touchdown, buzzer beater, do it all now. Ball now, top corner talking home run. Touchdown, buzzer beater, do it all now. Ball now, top corner like.